Today we're crocheting a star wind chime. It uses basic stitches, so it's simple and looks great. If you like it, follow along with me. We'll use Susan's Family 4-ply cotton yarn and a 2.15mm crochet hook. Let's start by crocheting the bell. First, leave a tail of about 30 centimeters. This will be used to crochet the hanging string part. Begin with a magic ring. Chain 1 as a beginning chain, then crochet 6 single crochets in the first round. Place a marker in the first stitch to mark it. Gently pull to tighten the loop. And secure this yarn tail. Place it in the position on the right side. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Pull tight while making the slip stitch. Chain 1 stitch. Second round. Crochet 2 single crochets into each stitch. End with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1 stitch. Third round. Work a single crochet into the stitch where the slip stitch is located. Crochet 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern 6 times. End with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Fourth round. Start by crocheting 1 single crochet. Crochet 2 single crochets in the next stitch. In the following stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. 3 stitches make up a group. Repeat this group 6 times. Rounds 5 to 8. Crochet 24 single crochets in each round. At the end of each round, finish with a slip stitch to join. Ninth round. Start by crocheting 1 single crochet. Crochet 2 single crochets in the next stitch. In the following stitch, crochet 1 single crochet. 3 stitches make up a group. Repeat this group 8 times. 10th round, crochet 1 single crochet in each stitch. A total of 32 single crochets. For the 11th round, chain 2 as a starting chain, and work double crochets through the back loop only. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the back loop. Bring the yarn over and pull it through 2 loops, then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's 1. For the next stitch, also insert the hook into the back loop. Bring the yarn over and pull it through 2 loops, Then yarn over again and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Crochet evenly with 32 double crochets, no increases or decreases. End by slipping stitching to the first stitch. For the 12th round, chain 1 as the starting chain. In the same stitch where you slip stitched, crochet 1 single crochet. Decrease in the next stitch by working a single crochet 2 together. Insert the hook into the stitch and bring the yarn through. Then insert the hook into the next stitch and bring the yarn through again. Finally, yarn over and pull through all loops. For the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. Here is a group. I'll demonstrate again. For the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. Then work a single crochet decrease. Continue with another single crochet. End by slipping stitching to the first stitch. Then fasten off the yarn. Use a sewing needle to hide the yarn tail. Fold the edge of this part inward. You can use glue to secure this position. At the top position, pick up any 1 strand of yarn. Bring the yarn through. Chain 20 stitches for the hanging loop section. You can adjust it as needed. On the symmetrical side, still pick up any 1 strand of yarn. Slip stitch once. Leave this yarn tail for later use. Take out the yellow yarn and begin crocheting a star. Start with a magic ring. Chain 1 stitch as the beginning chain. Work 1 half double crochet into this circle next. Place a stitch marker on the first stitch to mark it. Work 1 double crochet next. Chain 1 stitch. Go back to the side of the stitches and pick up 2 strands of yarn. Make a slip stitch. Work another half double crochet into this circle. This is the first group. Let me demonstrate again. Start with a half double crochet. Then work 1 double crochet. Chain 1 stitch. Go back to the side of the stitches, pick up 2 strands of yarn, and make a slip stitch. Work another half double crochet into this circle. This is the second group. You need to work 5 groups in total. After completing, tighten this loop. Slip stitch at the marker spot. Braid the yarn. Bring the yarn tail to the wrong side. Make sure to tighten the circle in the middle. Everyone can practice crocheting on their own. Cut 2 strands of blue yarn and set them aside for later use. Get the bell ready. Thread the sewing needle from the middle position of the top. Pass through. Fold these 2 threads in half and divide them into 4 parts. Then pull through the middle again. Next, hide this yarn tail. Take out the star. Place the string between the middle 2 points of the star and glue it there accordingly. Here, secure it. Finally, sew the bell under the star. If you learned it, give it a try. Don't forget to post your work and tag me.